Have you ever been wondering how to paint beautiful artistic and painterly landscapes? Did you ever thought that's just possible on a real canvas? Definitely not. Come with me on this journey of digital fine art painting. I will take you to a trip to that beautiful place I'm painting. It's the lake at the mountains. See just over my shoulder every step I make to paint a landscape that is almost looking like painted on a real canvas. I will show and tell you the way just very clearly and slowly. Enjoy learning and find the beauty of painting right in this course here. And as a bonus, I've included a full lesson about the painter's perspective. Learn in this lesson how you will create bonds and objects in the right perspective. The whole course is divided into two parts. It's how to paint painterly at one side, and on the other hand we have the painter's perspective lesson. It's around 2 hours and 40 minutes long, completely narrated by me and packed with helpful advices and informations for you as a painter, so you will definitely benefit from. Let's see you there. I've put a link in the description to my website. And if you haven't yet heard about my first course, I have also a bundle with both courses where you can save money. Don't miss this opportunity to bring up your painting skills in a short time. This course here is developed by purpose to make it very easy for you to learn.